Well, hello everyone. How we doing tonight? It's Saturday evening. I'm warming my fingers on my mat. I am Stacy. Welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you find that you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button because it really does help me with YouTube's algorithm. I feel like such a broken record saying that, you guys, because, I mean, if you watch YouTube, you already know. Every channel tells you that, right? Every channel says, hit the subscribe, it helps, and it really does. So, there you go. There's my little PSA for the day. Okay, you guys, we're doing some snow nails, but with red. Can we do snow with red? I don't know, but we're going to. So we're using a Venetian velvet, and then these are from decals, and this is an overlay, and it's like snowy in the middle and clear at the bottom and the little snowflake, and it has like the tiniest little gem. Very, very cute. And I honestly debated wearing those just like over a naked nail because I think it'd be really pretty, but I was like feeling the red today. So alright, here we go. I got a few of them done. Thanks to all of you that came and joined the group, which the link is below if you'd like to join us on Facebook. I'm doing lives there once a month. I really buggered up that application, but we'll clean it up in a heartbeat. Went way too low, which might make this be too short. Might not. We'll see. It's okay if it is because we're putting the overlay over it. We had our first live last night, and I think we had a load of fun. Okay, maybe just I had a load of fun. No, really, I think we had a load of fun. So, if you haven't joined us, come on over. I am not a stylist. I'm just a Color Street addict, which is exactly how I like to be. I'm just using my nippers to clean up this mess I did on this nail, you guys. I have my nails shaped like so good right now, or at least what I say is so good for a shape for me. A bit of a scoval going on, a square oval, which is what I always would like to be. But then I get to file in and screw everything up, and you know, or I like break a little break on one side, and there goes my whole beautiful shape. And you know, I cut too much out of that one part, but I'm not too worried about this base, you guys, because that overlay is gonna take care of things for me. I was in the nail fee group today on Facebook, and I say that like there's one when really there's, you know, 11 billion nail fee groups on Facebook. But the one that I was in, somebody was mentioning peel off base coat, and then there was, you know, a zillion responses. But one lady said, oh, you shouldn't do this because you're peeling your nail off. And I'm like, lady, you're exactly what is wrong with online community, you know? Like, you have no research into it, you haven't actually wore them, you have no experience of what the peel off part of it is even like. Trust and believe, my nails look better right now than they have looked probably since I have started using Color Street. They are, I mean, and you guys that have watched me for, you know, months and months are even saying it in the comments. Your nails are really looking good now. Yeah, they really are. And I'm giving full credit of that to that peel off base coat, because I have not touched a remover of any type to my nails in, you know, a couple months, and it's made a huge difference. I feel like they're growing faster, they're stronger, you know, I don't know. And also I'm using my jojoba oil like crazy, so maybe it's all the jojoba oil, I don't know. But between the jojoba and the not using any remover has been wonderful for me, for my nails, and just for ease of swapping them out and stuff. So I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what became of the thread because I didn't give a million responses, and I did not go back to see, because I'm just like, I get so frustrated when people are like that, because everyone will agree that the last thing you want to do when you're using Color Street or any, whether it's a regular polish, a gel polish, fake nails, whatever, you never ever want to like pick and peel stuff so that you're removing layers of your nails, but that is not at all what peel off base coat is. So anyway, before I even started using it, you guys, and then started telling you guys about it, I did so much stinking research on it, so then it just frustrates me when people are like super offhand, like, oh no, you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't peel them off because then you're peeling off layers of your nails. Well, you should use it before you have that to say. So there's my rant of the day, you guys. And I don't know who she was. Girl, don't even matter who she was. Either way, you know, it's like the people that are like, you've got to let your nails breathe. Well, your nails don't breathe. They don't breathe, and neither does your hair. So simmer down, stop saying that nonsense. Welcome to my rant. Hope we don't got anybody new here today that's like, ooh, this lady's feisty. I'm not usually very feisty, only sometimes. Anyway, we had a super fun live last night. We played with nail foils, which I have done here also. So if you're not in the group and you're like, no way, I'm not joining a Facebook group with all these nonsensical ladies, you're going to be missing out, because we are nonsensical, but we're also fun. But the group in and of itself is good fun also, because everybody's sharing every kind of strip they use. And speaking of every kind of strip, you guys, I have tried so many different brands now, and here's what it's come down to for me. Unless something totally new comes out, I won't say I'm never going to, but I'm just not bothering to try new brands now, because they're all like being made by the same few companies that are just putting their own package, you know, then the little small individual company puts their own packaging. So like the Shibella ones are like some that Danelle has, and you know, like also like this and also like that, and it just winds up to where I'm, you know, wind up getting, heck, I can even order the same sets off multiple different websites. So for me, it's, you know, I'm not actually trying anything new. So if it's in the same packaging from something you've used and liked, know that it's going to be the same. That's what I can tell you, because that's what I've found no matter who I order them from. But I basically only order overlays, or if I can get a really good pattern, you know, something I'm super sold on. Like, I like Danelle's sweater pattern, but I can't say it's Danelle's sweater pattern because you can get that sweater pattern on 20 other websites. You know what I mean? It was just, that was where I found it, was through her. And then once I started like trying to jump into some other brands just to try for you guys, then I just found that I'm getting like the same thing everywhere, you know. But for me, still, I prefer not to use the plasticky ones that I have to nip the ends Although, if it's an overlay, I'll do it, because the overlays are worth it to me. I like having a variety of overlays. This Venetian velvet is beautiful. Okay, so then I thought this would be fun in my thumb. Instead of using a, the overlay, hang on, got lots of junk in my nips. I have a couple of these 3D, can you guys see them okay? Decals from my friend Liz. I mean, how cute are these, you guys? It's a little cabin. Look, it's a little cabin in old snowy woods. Okay, so let's see if they will fit me. Because they're not big. I mean, they're made to be a thumb size. I just don't know if they're made to be my thumb size. Oh, they're going to be a little long, but what I'm going to do is put it a little low, and I'm going to nip the bottom because I don't want to lose that moon and star. And so I can maybe, they're pretty good and sticky. Yeah, perfect. I just nip the bottom a little. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And you do feel these, you guys. I know a couple people had asked. I told Marcy it was like Braille on my thumb. Okay, let's see here. This one's going to be pretty close. We'll see. But it's going to be a cabin on my thumb. Come on. That's so fun. Get him as low as I can go. Oh wow, these are so cool, Liz. I hope you use yours soon. They're so good, so good. Okay, hang on. I got just a teeny hair I want to nip over here. And now with these decals, you guys, even though they are var sticky, you still need to put a top coat. Okay, so let's dump our little garbage pants out. So this is part of my, we're on like day 3 of my 6 days off. I got a bunch of sticker designing done for my girlfriend, and I'm going to do a little bit more while this video uploads. I got a bunch of flax bags made. One of my girlfriends been fighting migraines and asked if I would do her a big size bag. You know, so you can do your whole neck and shoulders. It's so good, you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's use, hey you guys, I am loving this Salon Perfect Plumping Gel Effect Top Coat. No light needed. This is from Walmart, right around $4. Nail friend Carrie posted it in the Sassy Crew group, and I picked it up, and it dries blazing fast and looks beautiful. And I'll use it today so you guys can see it. Oh, so I made her a big flax bag. And then I finally made myself another flax bag because I had cleaned out all my flax bags to different nail friends that were needing them. And so I made myself another small one using the bunny material, because come on, bunnies. I gotta see what I got going here. I don't know if this is... Oh, it's a little piece of skin, but not anymore. Oh my goodness, look at that. It just, the shine and how nice it smooths it out. It's so good, and it dries incredibly fast. I do know that. Ooh, I can't wait to clean up these tips, you guys, because this is very cute over red. I'm glad I didn't, like, cave into, so sometimes I get the thoughts like, oh, I should put it over blue, right? Because if you're doing snow, it should probably be with, like, blue or gray or silver or whatever. And I was like, no, I really want these to be over red. And you know what? I'm glad I did. I don't care what color people think snow should be associated with. I'm going red, and it's beautiful. Beautiful. This Salon Perfect Gel Top Coat, you guys, pretty stinky. Just know that. If you're like me and things can be pretty stinky. It's pretty stinky. But $4 compared to OPI like $16 for their plumper. And you can grab it at Walmart. You don't have to go online and try to hunt it down. It's a pretty good deal, in my opinion. That's another thing about the Sassy crew, the Facebook group, you guys, that's so good, is you don't have to listen to just Stacy's ideas. Like, everybody's sharing ideas, and I love that. And people share other brands they like or don't like, and I like that. I like to be not the only person that is enabling. I also like to be enabled. In fact, when Carrie posted this top coat, you guys, I bought it the next day. And I'm happy to have it. And the live we did with foil is saved in that group. So at some point, if you decide to join, or if you've already joined and were mad you didn't get to make it, it's okay. It's still there. You can watch it when you get time. It won't go anywhere. That is the nice thing. And all the chatter's there too. Okay, so these are already totally set up. Alright, check out these thumbs, you guys. Stop it. They're so good. So fun. Oh my god, I love them. Oh, and there's our red snow. I gotta clean the tips up though. I definitely need to file. Yeah, I love these. I'm 100% sold. So cute. I do kind of wish that that little bit of sparseness was a little more sparse, but it's okay. It's good, other than the fact I need to file. So alright, you guys, have a great day. I will see you. This will be posted like Saturday night, Sunday. So probably Tuesday or Wednesday you'll get the next line of videos, and we're working our way closer to the Valentine's Day sets are coming. I'm planning them already, so have a good one. Talk to you soon.